Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jai Swami Narayan. Yesterday in my previous class, I had finished with Geography Lesson 6, its explanation. Okay, and today before starting discussing with its exercise on page number 45 of your geography text, let's have a small recap to this lesson. That is, natural vegetation and wildlife, it depends on climate and weather. Okay, summer season, the duration of summer season is March to May. That is hottest season, and during May there are lows in some of the regions in Gujarat. Not only in Gujarat, in other states also. During May there are lows. Then rainy season from June to September. Okay, rainy season को हम monsoon season कहते हैं, and monsoon word has come from Arabic word mausim. Monsoon season had come from Arabic word mausim. Then autumn season we also know is also known as retreating monsoon. Okay, from October to November. समर सीजन के जो वेजिटेबल्स है या और भी जो है फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स, दैट इज लेमन, टेमरेंट, कोकम, फालसा, वाटरमेलन, बटर मिल्क. ओके, डेली फिनोमिनन इज नोन एज वेदर. जो हर एक दिन में 24 आवर्स में पूरा दिन होता रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेदर. वी से वेदर इज नाइस. हम बोलते हैं आज वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, आज बहुत गर्मी है, आज अच्छा प्लेजेंट मौसम है, आज बहुत अच्छी हवाएं, ठंडी हवा चल रही है. इट ऑकर्स ऑन द डे टू डे बेसिस. ओके, that is a period of 30 years or more and a relatively longer duration of time is called climate. Climate यानी जैसे किसी रीजन का ये क्लाइमेट है, किसी रीजन का कोई और कुछ और क्लाइमेट होता है. जैसे हम इंडिया में रह के ही स्टेट टू स्टेट भी क्लाइमेट बदलता है. हमारे यहाँ एट प्रेजेंट इतनी गर्मी है, और आप न्यूज़ में देखो पुणे, मुंबई, इस तरफ कितनी बारिश है. So climate also changes, okay, from state to state. हर जगह का एक ही climate नहीं होता है. We classify climate under 4 heads, that is summer, winter, rainy and autumn. Climate यानी 4, that is summer, rainy, winter and autumn. And winter season है, it usually extended from December to Feb, और उसके हिसाब से ये जो लेसन 6 है, डिफरेंट नेचुरल वेजिटेशंस, वाइल्ड लाइफ, बर्ड्स, हर एक स्टेट, हर एक रीजन के डिफरेंट है वेजिटेशंस एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ्स. ओके, दैट इज विंटर सीजन यूजुअली एक्सटेंड फॉर December to Feb. It is considered as the cold period with cold west flowing on. You have summer season from March to May, which is usually hot and known as Lu. Rainy season extends from June to September, and this is affected by the southwest monsoon. Monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which in Arabic means seasons. And finally you have autumn season, which is a season of shedding, patjhad ka mahina, shedding of leaves. You have October to November, and this is also governed by the retreating monsoon. Monsoon तो ख़त्म हो गए हैं, ओके, सितंबर में ख़त्म हो जाते हैं. उसके बाद हमारे यहाँ से मतलब फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ऐसे ईस्ट की तरफ जो हवाएं हैं वो टर्न हो जाती है. हमारे यहाँ जो वेस्ट है वो ऐसे टर्न हो जाता है टुवर्ड्स दी नॉर्थ, और जो यहाँ से है बे ऑफ बंगाल से जो ईस्ट से है, वो भी जो हवाएं हैं वो टर्न होके ऐसे चली जाती है नॉर्थ के साथ, तो दोनों साथ में पैरेलल हो जाते हैं. दैट इज नोन एज रिट्रीटिंग मॉनसून इन द नॉर्थ. that is October to November. and this is also governed by the retreating monsoon that is mainly seen on the coast of the Tamil Nadu. Rainy season, we call this season by different names in the country. Okay, जैसे मराठी में इसको पाऊस बोलते हैं, पाऊस आला है. પછી गुजराती में इसको वैसे हिंदी में इसको वर्षा बोलते हैं. उर्दू में हम बारिश बोलते हैं, उर्दू है वो बारिश, हम बारिश बोलते हैं ना, वो उर्दू लैंग्वेज है. देन बंगाली में बोरशा, बोरशा. देन इंग्लिश तो यू नो रेनी सीजन. Okay, so this all different name from the season. So similarly to rainy season, you have the name of other seasons as well as in summer. तो different जो seasons है उसके fruits, vegetables हम different enjoy करते हैं. Summer season है तो fruits, vegetables differently enjoy करते हैं. Animals का भी रहने का, wild life का जो वो उनका भी जो lifestyle है रहने का, खाने, वो भी बदल जाता है. Not only ours, उनका भी बदलता है. Right, so it depends on the climate, season, which are commonly which provide refreshment. The factors affecting climate कौन से हैं? Location, then जितनी ऊंचाई होगी उसके हिसाब से उसका climate होगा. हम लोग तो प्लेन लैंड में रहते हैं, हमारा क्लाइमेट कितना डिफरेंट है. जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाते जाओगे आप एकदम सो डिफरेंट क्लाइमेट होगा बिल्कुल. देन डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम सी, रिलीफ, जैसलमेर एंड बीकानेर है जो बिल्कुल एरिड है, सूखा, अकाल. द्रास एंड कारगिल जहाँ इतनी बर्फ के -डिग्री टेम्परेचर है, वहाँ पे शायद ही गर्मी होती होगी. देन मुंबई, कोलकाता मॉडरेट. मॉन्सिनरैम, मेघालय, जहाँ हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो वी स्टडी अबाउट ट्रॉपिकल दिस. ओके, दिस आपको पता चला. मैं इसलिए आपको बताया है क्योंकि ये सब उससे कंसर्न करता है कि जैसा वेदर क्लाइमेट होगा जिस रीजन का, उसके हिसाब से नेचुरल वेजिटेशन होंगे, वाइल्ड लाइफ होंगे. वी स्टार्ट विथ नेचुरल वेजिटेशन. ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन रेन फॉरेस्ट, हैवी रेन, डेंस, नो सनलाइट ऑन ग्राउंड, शेड लीव्स इन डिफरेंट सीजन. ओके, और ये कहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं? दैट इज वेस्ट ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट्स, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स. और इसके ट्रीज कौन से हैं? महागनी, एबनी एंड रोजवुड. देन वी गो टू ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस, जहाँ पे काफ़ी मानसून है, लेस डेंस, शेड लीव्स एट वन टाइम. ये कहाँ होते हैं ज़्यादातर? एमपी, बिहार, यूपी, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, महाराष्ट्र. साल, टीक, पीपल. Then thorny shrubs, dry spines. पंजाब, हरियाणा, कैक्टस. इसके कौन से हैं? कैक्टस, खैर, बबूल, कीकार. देन माउंटेन वेजिटेशन, 1500 to 2500 मीटर है ये. कॉनिफरस. Yes, that is tropical deciduous is found in Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra. Sal, teak, peepal, thorny shrubs, cactus, khair, babul, kikar. Mountain vegetation, वो काफ़ी पहाड़ों पे होती है, 1500 से 2500 मीटर्स की हाइट में. और वहाँ पे कौन से वेजिटेशंस हैं? कॉनिकल, कॉनिफरस, चिर, पाइन, दियोदार. मैनग्रोव्स, सलाइन, सुंदरबंस, सुंदरी ट्रीज. सुंदरी ट्रीज को पता है क्या बोलते हैं? न्यूमैटोफोर्स बोलते हैं सुंदरी ट्रीज को, न्यूमैटोफोर्स. Then in India we have 5 major categories of vegetation: tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, thorny shrubs, mountain vegetation and mangroves. Okay, Okay, we had हमने ये सब कुछ पढ़ा है अभी recently. I had explained you everything, that is tropical evergreen or rainforest, tropical deciduous, thorny shrubs, mountains, mangroves, okay, and forest. What does forest provide us? Now see, the people are cutting trees and clearing the forest, but the fact is कि forest provide us oxygen जो हम inhale करते हैं वो exhale करते हैं, act as carbon sink, prevent soil erosion, hold soil, timber for furniture, food produce, gum, lac, honey, shelter and habitat, and Van Mahotsav. Forest provides oxygen for us. They act as carbon sink because they are the largest absorb of the carbons. All the carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plants. Plantation is important activities to reduce the pollution. Plant also bind the soil and prevent soil erosion, especially during rainy season. They provide timber for furniture. They provide shelter. Habitat, it is a living place for varieties, numerous of wildlife. To protect and conserve forest, India has been organizing Van Mahotsav. Then we go to next topic, wildlife. National animal, tiger. National bird, peacock. Gir forest, Asiatic lions, elephants and one-horned rhino, Assam, camel and wild ass, desert and run of Kutch, wild goats and snow leopards, Himalayas. Then first week of October, it is Wildlife Week, Project Tiger, Project Crocodile, migratory birds, कौन से हैं? Pelicans, Siberian, cranes, stork, flamingo, curlew, pintail duck. Okay, so that is all about the wildlife, right? मम्मी फ्रिज दा मेन स्विच बंद कर दो. मेन स्विच फ्रिज दा. Okay, so you can see that is migratory birds. क्या होते हैं? Those birds are coming from other nations. For example, Siberian cranes. दादी को बोलो. Siberian cranes come in India in month of December from Siberia, and the basic reason attributed is that Siberia during the winter month become extremely cold. As a result, this Siberian cranes have to migrate to a warmer place to find shelter. Okay, so that was a small recap of this lesson. Now we go to its exercise, page number 45. Page number 45. Which are the two factors on which the growth of vegetation mostly depends? The very first answer, page number 45. Which are the two factors on which the growth of vegetation mostly depends? That is climate. Climate में temperature and moisture, height, slope and thickness of soil. मैंने आपको 4 factors दिए. Any 2 you can mention. Either climate. Climate के अंदर temperature and moisture both. Then height, slope the thickness of the soil. Which are the three broad categories in natural vegetation? Main is forest, second is grassland, and third is thorny shrubs and scrubs. Forest grow in regions of high temperature and rain. Second, grasslands grow in region of moderate rainfall. Third, thorny scrubs and shrubs grow in dry regions. Next, name the two hardwood trees commonly found in tropical evergreen forest. वो है rosewood, ebony and mahogany. Rosewood, ebony and mahogany. I had mentioned you three, you can write any two. Next, in which part of the world are tropical deciduous forest found? Tropical deciduous forest is found in large parts of India, second, northern Australia, and third, Central America. I repeat, first, large parts of India, second, northern Australia, third, Central America. Next, in which climatic conditions are citrus fruits cultivated? Citrus fruits are cultivated in the Mediterranean climatic conditions. Next, mention the uses of coniferous forest. First, coniferous forest provide softwood. Second, it is used in making pulp. The pulp is used in making paper and newsprint. The match industry, वो match box होती है ना, matches की डब्बी, the match making industry gets softwood from coniferous forest. Softwood is also used in making package boxes. In which part of the world is seasonal grassland found? Seasonal grassland is found in the savanna region of Africa. It gets dried up in the dry season. Next is tick the correct answer. Mosses and lichens are found in tundra region. Mosses and lichens are found in tundra vegetation. Thorny bushes are found in hot and dry desertic climate. Hot and dry desertic climate. In tropical evergreen forest, one of the common animals is monkey. One of the common animal is monkey. One important variety of coniferous forest is pine. One important variety of coniferous forest is pine. Steppe grassland is found in Central Asia. Steppe grassland is found in temperate in Central Asia. Next, match the following. Walrus. Answer, a polar animal. walrus, a polar animal. Cedar, softwood tree. Cedar, softwood tree. Olives, a citrus fruit. Elephants, an animal of tropical deciduous forest. An animal of tropical deciduous forest. Campos, tropical grassland of Brazil. Campos, tropical grassland of Brazil. Downs, temperate grassland in Australia. I repeat again, tick the correct answer. Mosses and lichens are found in, okay, that is tundra region. Thorny bushes are found in, it is found in hot and dry desertic climate. In tropical evergreen forest, one of the common animal is monkey. One important variety of coniferous forest is, it is one important variety of coniferous forest is pine, and steppe grassland is found in Central Asia. Okay, students. Next, match the following: walrus, softwood tree. Cedar, an animal of tropical deciduous forest. Sorry, walrus, a polar animal. Cedar, softwood tree. Olives, a citrus fruit. Elephants, an animal of tropical deciduous forest. Campos, tropical grassland of Brazil. And downs, temperate grassland in Australia. Give reason. The animals in polar regions have thick fur and thick skin because polar regions are very cold. Animals that do not have thick fur and thick skin cannot survive in these harsh and cold climates. And third, they have to protect themselves from cold by fur and thick skin. I repeat again. Polar, first ka give reason. Because polar regions are very cold, animals that do not have thick fur and thick skin cannot survive in this harsh and cold climates. And third, they have to protect themselves from cold by thick fur and thick skin. Second, tropical deciduous trees shed their leaves in the dry season because during the dry season rainfall is scarce and water supply to plants and trees through their roots is reduced. Transpiration occurs through leaves. To reduce transpiration in dry season, trees shed their leaves. The short supply of moisture through their roots keeps them alive during the dry season. Okay, second answer again. During the rainy season, rainfall is scarce and water supply to plants and trees through their roots is reduced. Transpiration occurs through leaves. To reduce transpiration in dry season, trees shed their leaves. Or third है, the short supply of moisture through their roots keep them alive during the dry season. Third, the type and thickness of vegetation changes from place to place because of climate, that is temperature and moisture. Second, height from the mean sea level, that is slope. Third, the thickness of the soil. एंड ऑल्सो द कंडीशंस, ये जो कंडीशंस है क्लाइमेट, हाइट एंड थिकनेस ऑफ सॉइल, इट वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस, और नेचुरल वेजिटेशन ऑल्सो वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. सी नीचे की एक्टिविटी है, कलेक्ट पिक्चर्स एंड फोटोग्राफ्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट एंड ग्रासलैंड्स ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. राइट वन सेंटेंस बिलो ईच पिक्चर. आप ट्रॉपिकल एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट की लेके उसके बारे में कुछ लिख सकते हैं. ट्रॉपिकल डेसिडियस, ट्रॉपिकल टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट, ट्रॉपिकल ग्रासलैंड्स. ओके, सो दिस यू कैन डू स्टूडेंट्स एट होम. ये एक्टिविटी आप घर पे बैठे कर सकते हो. इट्स अ प्रिटी गुड एक्टिविटी. Okay, so with this I wrap up my class here, and students please by today send me your subject and enrichment activity जिनके बाकी है. 7th class के 5 students ने मुझे submit कर दिया. Rest please submit as soon as possible. And this lesson I had finished fully with its exercise also. I had solved from page number 45. Okay, so please send me your subject enrichment activity as early as possible, and do your best in second periodic test. एंड स्टूडेंट्स यू कैन सी कि मेरी वीडियो आज बहुत क्लियर नहीं आ रही होगी. कई बार लाइट नहीं है बिकॉज मेरे यहाँ पे थोड़ी लाइट की प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, इट इज़ गोइंग कमिंग ऐसे होता जा रहा है. ओके, सो एक्सक्यूज मी फॉर दैट. विद दिस आई रैप अप माई क्लास हियर. Thank you to all, and take care.